shit. I live with this aching possibility that you might call me to do something.
Let's go to your house. We'll talk this out. I want to see what you
Hey.
want you to stop the car!
Full force heart attack. 5 punch, don't hold me back. We see through you like it's glass. All you niggas fucking trash. You're not that savage, you're wrong for snow. River with fear when you step to the go. They gon' force me to lose my control. Niggas ain't ready to walk down the road. What? From this so see man, we taking shit over. I've been doing business, I play with the owner. It's too late for niggas that they like me. Close to the world has been right, don't you see I'm the owner? Yeah, we on the ultra like beam, yeah. With all the money and grin, yeah. I fucking bitch to my beats, yeah. I like the way that she stays, yeah. Niggas you ain't been shopping just for the hell if you never been a dead for the drama. Massive up the evidence, run up on a nigga, run to the drum, we come and nemesis, pull up on the trigger and do the verdict, nigga. If I'm so feeling the flex, if I run around with a weapon, I'm tripping out of the journals. About to bring me a record, I'm lucky just like a Dennis. I'm working hard to regret it, I'm back to this, the minutes on my mama, we should play this.
New wave the ball. No sound of them pull up here. I wanna call the earthquake.
Ladies, let me tell you this. If a girl have bad things to say about you, nothing not go on for you. So you're not
Ready.